Hey guys, aniya na ang bagong dual sport groove pattern from Chaoyang Motorcycle Tires Philippines. Available na ni sa ilang concept store located at Bigulias Street, Cebu City near Santo Niño Church. Kaning aligid is built for adventure. Maunang kung ganahan kag scam ride, sakto jud mi para nimo. Ug dili lang kana, usa sa nakanindot ani kay high grip na pud siya even in wet road condition. And syempre, Chaoyang Motorcycle Tires is known for its run flat technology and no sudden burst. Maunang maudyod niya ang ginapili gamiton sa mga daily riders, delivery riders ug motorcycle taxi riders. Maunang makasiguro jud ka sa quality sa Chaoyang Motorcycle Tires. Busa, pag Chaoyang na!